Hey Adil, this is not the review, but I will do it afterwards. First, I was installing, something really important here in Europe, that it's the cookies. And turns out, for example, that, for example, for the services page, then you can see it's fine working here. The cookie is here. It's in the whole screen as it should be, like, okay. So whenever you first access to the website, in here, the problem is that, for the rest of the pages is good, because you see it appears here. So it's clear that it's there. About us also in the whole page, I can interact with it, I can do anything here, good. But the issue is only with the home page. For some reason, it's not appearing here, but it's appearing inside the review. Like it's here, and like this will be the screen or the whole thing. I don't understand why this is happening, to be honest. Because I did exactly the same for all of them. For example, for our services page, I created a component, and it's a cookie consent reusable component. The same goes with our project, exactly the same. So if I go to this page and I go to home, still the element, you see the element there, but for some reason it's getting inside, which is really strange, inside these testimonials. So I wanted to ask you, like, do you know why this is happening and how I can fix this? Thanks.